Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Mira from K-pop Demon Hunter with her black outfit and dress them dress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit. First of all guys, for the hairstyle, you can choose 3 hairstyles and then you're going to color it pink. For this one, you're going to make it stiff and remove the bangs and the bows. This is for the color code. For this one, you're going to choose only bangs and make it the same pink color. This one, remove the bangs. Okay, make it the same pink color and put on this crown. And you're going to adjust it like this for the position, rotate, and then scale. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to select this top from the masculine item. And then I'm going to make it black. Okay, then I'm going to put on this item, this one guys, and I'm going to color it with the black color for the white part. I'm going to make it this black color. Okay, done. And then I'm going to put on this pant and you're going to make it black. And then this stocking, make it black. Okay, and I'm going to put on this corset. For this corset, we're going to make it all black except the lace. Okay, for the trim, make it black. And then for the lace, I'm going to make it purple. This purple. Okay, and I'm going to make it black for the last selection. Wait, sorry. Okay, done. And the next one, I'm going to go to this area and then I'm going to put on this skirt. And for this skirt, I'm going to make it all black. Guys, like this. Just make it all black. It done. And then I'm going to go to the dressing room. And from the dressing room, I'm going to go to the currency items. And I'm going to put on this boot. And then we're going to make it all black like this. Okay, then we're going to put on, let me put on the sleeves from the wedge set, this one. And then I'm going to make it black. Okay, done. And then I'm going to go to the cuts item and put on this X. And then I'm going to make it this color for the first selection. And for the second selection, just make it this color. Okay, done guys, and this is for the final result. Oops, sorry. For the X, I'm going to make it on shoulder. Okay, make it on shoulder like this. And you will have this look, this Mira's look from K-pop Demon Hunter. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!